Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend. And if I said morning, I meant afternoon. But hope you're having a great weekend so far. And in this video, we will talk a little bit more about Litecoin. It's been a while since I covered it. I did not really cover it during this bullish momentum right here, or I did. I'm not too sure, to be honest. But now we're covering it. I'll give you a full update. I know there's still a significant Litecoin community around Cilinix Crypto, including me. I like Litecoin a lot, but as expected, or well, partially as expected, but after the Litecoin halving, we saw a lot of bearish momentum. That was expected. If you watch my videos, you knew that we would probably drop off after the halving. But then obviously the market turned quite sour as well, so that definitely did not help Litecoin. We got a lot of bearish momentum, some big crashes, especially on Friday the 18th, and that brought us to where we are right now, in some sort of a consolidation between $62 and 61.5, and then ultimately $67 with a bit of a fake out, a bit of a bullish breakout right here, which brought us up towards $70. That's the situation. The situation is not great, all right? The situation right now and the market structure in general is just bearish. If we take a look at the volume, you can see that it's dropping. It's obviously weekend, so it has to drop. It was pretty high over the last 7 days, and just in general, I would actually say that the volume right now is decent. Like just before the halving or just after the halving, it wasn't too much better. It actually was lower. So the volume is decent right now, but I wouldn't necessarily say that this volume is great, because most of this volume is sell volume, right? I mean, if the volume goes up while the price is dropping, most people are selling, or at least the people with the most money are selling. So then what you also see is that Litecoin got a bit of a bearish breakout below $64, which de facto actually was holding up the price. Bit of a bearish break retest off of this trend line right here. So overall, the situation is bearish, all right? And I also expect the movement to be like that. I expect more bearish momentum towards 61 and or $61. Then at $61, I do expect some support, but ultimately only to take some sort of a bearish break retest and drop down towards $60 and $59, which historically is quite a strong support level, as you can see. So I do expect support there. But the only way, like in general, the only way in which Litecoin could actually turn bullish, which could also be right now. I mean, it's a possibility. It's not likely, but if Bitcoin, for example, breaks above 26,300, which is its main resistance right now, something like this, then Litecoin will be able to recover. But then Litecoin will just get into a consolidation, like at the very most a spike up towards like $73. But more than that, I would not imagine. So yeah, a consolidation is the best thing that can happen for Litecoin right now, and the only way in which that can happen is a big bullish breakout by Bitcoin, which doesn't look likely right now. So I think it's more likely that we'll see that drop. Like I said, I'm considering buying from that whole 59, 58.5 level. Whether I will buy or not depends a bit on the market circumstances at that specific point of time. I can keep you updated on that if you're interested in that, but for now, those are my thoughts on Litecoin. I don't want to be that negative, but as most of you know, I do want to be realistic, and given my analysis and given all of the factors I've looking at, this looks like the most likely scenario. So sorry, but I do hope you have a great weekend. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.